Ako si Ray Marcildora, operator ng DTF dito sa DT, Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 7 araw. Ito naman yung printer head. Last palit po ng white head is noong August 2023. Ito naman yung capping na may 60% good condition. Head clean. Punasan na wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system. Yung ink po natin is medyo mataas at yung yellow is mababa. Ito naman yung waste tank area. Last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung mga unused ink. Ito naman yung unused powder. At film. Ito naman yung consumable monitoring ng white ink, resin powder, cleaning solution, at film. Wala pa ako na-consume ng CMYK. Ito naman yung daily output record. At printer daily checklist.